Hello everyone. Today I'm starting with this series of video blogging for the benefit of technology for the travel industry per se. Okay. So my first topic is whether the travel management companies, the traditional travel management companies would die if they don't upgrade themselves to the technology platform or not. Okay. So my name is Vinod Singh. I've been a travel technology veteran for last 6-7 years, working with multiple travel technology companies, and I've worked as a consultant for multiple travel companies as well. All right. So the topic is why travel management companies should invest into the technology platform. Okay. So I'll just list down few of the benefits that the travel management companies will achieve once they invest into the technology platform. The first and the foremost is the optimization or the quality of the services that they're offering to the travel to their corporate partners. Okay. So the first thing is enhancing the quality, because there would be lesser number of human errors once the technology is in place. All right. So there's a lot of dependency which is there in a traditional way of catering to the travel. Corporate travel would go down, and there's a lot of things which would be done by the technology, and because of the automation in place, the human errors will go down. You can personalize the services to the to your corporate partners, and also you can enhance their experience working with travel management companies. So I mean, this is probably one of the advantages that would help you win the corporate travelers as well. All right. Then moving forward, the other advantage could be the transparency of the rates. Okay. So this has always been the challenge. This has always been the challenge for travel management companies, and always been the challenge for the corporates, to have a trust on the travel management companies that the rates which they are offering is best of the rates available in the market. All right. So with the help of corporate self-booking tool that travel management companies can offer to the corporate travelers, they can log in themselves, search and book for themselves itself, and they can see the rates coming from the travel management companies or what's been available in the market, and they can do the comparison themselves, and it's totally transparent. That's the best part of it. Okay. And this could also act as a selling point, a value proposition for a TMC offering to their corporate clients. All right. So that could be a selling points to them as well, a unique selling point, I would say. All right. Then moving forward, the other benefits which travel management companies can pass on to the corporate travelers once the technology has been implemented is the deals and the discounts codes. So as a travel management company, they do have their own discounted fare from the suppliers. At the same time, they can also implement the discounted fares coming from the corporates. So corporates might have a tie-up with, let's say, Emirates for their discount codes, which corporates can pass on themselves and get their respective discounts, or the additional benefits they might achieve from the Emirates Airlines itself. Again, those discount codes, those can be managed through the technology platform seamlessly. And it's pretty easy process compared to an offline process, which involves a lot of communication with the airlines, a lot of communication with the TMC, and a lot of time that would be invested into it. Okay. Then comes in the implementation of the travel policies, which has always been the question in the traditional model, how successfully the travel policies of a given corporate has been implemented. But once the corporate self booking tool has been implemented, these policies can be created in place. You can define the allocations for a manager, what is the booking entitlement for the flights or the hotels or the cars or any other services that you are offering to a manager, and probably for an executive, what is the entitlement for them. And at the same time, it goes for the approval, so there's no glitch in between. So probably one till the time it has not been approved, it will not go for the booking by a TMC. That's been in control of the corporate traveler. All right. So all the policies are in place, all the expenses are in place, everything has been controlled, and these can be passed as benefits to the corporates. They can check on the saving they have done once they have tied up with the travel management companies, and again, it could be one of the unique selling proposition for the travel management company as well at the same time. Okay. And as per the current situation, which is because of the COVID-19, the duty of the care is on the top list of importance for any corporate. Okay. Which can be easily managed through travel management company softwares as well. I mean, they can offer the location of their employees. They can communicate with the employees. They can send them the bulk messages individually or as a group of employees all together at the same time. And even on the corporate traveler side, they can communicate with the companies. They can communicate with the travel management companies. Their representatives get the modification or changes done in the system on a click of a button, or they are just a call away from that particular employee, or they can have a chat bot available on their mobile interface itself to have to communicate with the travel companies. All right, and that would be seamlessly done, not like the traditional way where they have to wait, or it's an odd hour services, so they cannot communicate, or if it's an urgent booking, urgent modification, they cannot get it done in the traditional mode of travel. But with the implementation of technology, corporate self-booking tool or online booking tools by the TMCs, all these been taken care of. And I guess technology is the way for any travel companies to survive. All right, because as you all know, it's always been competitive market, but with the help of technology, you can increase your bottom line revenue, maybe not by making additional profits, additional sales, or you can control the cost, and then that would add up to your bottom line sales. So if you like this video, you have any suggestions, any topic you want me to cover during the videos, please drop me in the message at the bottom. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.